What's the meaning of bigotry? Bigotry. Bigotry.
Bigotry. Bigotry. Bigotry refers to the intolerance and prejudice towards individuals or groups that hold different beliefs, values, or opinions. It can manifest in various forms such as racism, sexism, homophobia, religious intolerance, and so on. The root of bigotry is often fear and ignorance, leading to unfair treatment and discrimination against others who are perceived as different. Bigotry can have a negative impact on society, promoting divisions and hindering progress towards a more inclusive and equitable world. It is important to recognize and challenge bigotry whenever it arises, and to promote empathy, understanding, and respect towards all people regardless of their differences.